In these all 3 years of my bachelor's life here in Allahabad University, where there was like quite a lot time for me to be able to develop a skill, learn something new, and do something regarding anything you can say. So during this period of my bachelor's life, I could have been able to reach quite some heights in my creative field journey, but I was the one who didn't put the efforts needed to do that, and I am blaming myself only. When I was new in this city, I hated this city very much, but over the time I became comfortable with it. Not that much that more than not more than my hometown, but yeah, it is like a normal city, I will say. When I arrived here for the first time, there was kind of, I thought a cultural shock would be there, and like people will be different here, but no, it was not that much. Or I must say, I have adapted to that. But there, those the people here are similar to what I had before. I may say worse than that only. The students of my batch were like, most of the batchmates were below average, and yes, they are even now. And I, who was a average student, became a below average over the time, I will say, because I am still not sure about what I will be doing, and I don't study. I only studied when the exams were near, and after the exams I just forgot what I have learned in this time, and I don't remember what I have studied in my first year or second year exams. The syllabus I don't know very well. I don't retain what I study, and I study only at the time of exams. So pretty much this bachelor's degree hasn't proved any point for me, and hasn't been a helpful one for me. Yeah, over this time only I have become kind of depressed, but not, depression is not the word. I mean, I will say, now I think of myself at a lower level than before, where I was much more optimistic and seeking for opportunities. I was pretty much confident about that I will be able to reach some heights. I will be successful in my creative career. But yeah, during this bachelor's life, I kept myself always in a comfort zone, and I am here where I haven't done anything much in my creative career. So yeah, I am here now, regretting about all the time that I have wasted here on, and the time I have wasted during the lockdown after class 10th, 11th, you can say. Since then only I have been in my comfort zone, playing games, using social media and all. So this was all my fault here only. Some problems related to this university is that the attendance here isn't made compulsory yet, so students take it casually and don't attend most of the classes. The classes remain empty generally, like 90% of the students always took leaves and never tried to attend the classes. At times, it even became more than that, like one or two students are only attending the classes. So, students here do take the classes lightly, which makes our normal interaction not possible, where you can't form the deeper connections, deeper friendship between your batchmates, since they are not punctual here, and you won't be meeting them every day. Most of the students remain like I mean say most of the students were rare to be seen in classes, and this is what made the connections never, like interactions never were so much deeper that you will feel connected in any type. You won't be forming a genuine connection. So I hope they make the attendance compulsory in future, because it is not proving any point. And also, I don't know about other universities, but in this university I will say that doing bachelor's won't give you the exposure of a researcher or a scientist or anything like that. You are just getting a degree here. Even equipments are not there in lab. Some many equipments are not there. You won't be getting a. Not everyone will be getting individual equipments to perform any experiment. The labs here are not well formed for the strength of students that are being admitted in these courses. So yeah, there are drawbacks here, and the attendance one is very much huge, I will say, in respect to forming the genuine connections. Because you won't be able to interact in a deeper way, which would have made everyone's personality up to some extent better. But no, it is not a case. Whenever students we used to interact, our general topic for interaction was like completing of files and all the work that was given. Only that was the topic generally for interaction. Like if I am meeting someone, I will be asking about whether you have completed this file or not, whether you have started something like studying or not, whether you have filled some kind of form of examinations or not, like that only, and nothing like intellectual level. You won't be interacting like that. And I won't say that it this is the same for everyone, but yeah, students here don't often try to connect. Like everyone knows that they won't be punctual here. No need to have a friendship, or they have some relationships outside of this university. There are many factors for that, but anyways, like having interactions is an important part of someone's life, especially at this age when you are in your early 20s or you are becoming adult. So yeah, these interactions are quite important, but even people must be correct about that. Like you need to have the right person to have such type of interaction too. social media has impacted quite a lot in interactions. Like you will talk about memes and dark humor and all, and I am also included in those type of person. I am not some kind of saint or something like that. Yeah, this is all I wanted to share for now, and I will be closing here. Let's see if I arrive here at any other normal day when I won't be having examinations. Yeah, bye.